Hello everyone, welcome back again. In this tutorial today, I want to teach you something important on HTML elements again. Today, I want to teach you about HTML Favicon. HTML Favicon. What is HTML Favicon? A favicon is a small image displayed next to the page title in the browser tab. How to add a favicon in the HTML? You can use any image you like as your own favicon. A favicon is a small image, so it should be a simple image with high contrast. A favicon image is displayed to the left of the page title in the browser tab. To add a favicon to your website, either save your favicon image to the root directory of your website, of your web server, or create folder in the root directory called images and save your favicon image in this folder. A common name for a favicon image is favicon.io. That is, you can write your any name and name it .io. Next, add a link element to your index.html file after the title element like this. After your doc type and after your HTML opening tag, the head opening tag, along with the after your title opening and closing tag, after the closing tag of the title, now put these tags here. You will have to put your link tag. We have discussed about linking in some of our tutorials. You can watch it if you don't know how to relate with links very well. We have discussed deeply about it. So you are going to use this rel attribute along with the icon value, along with the type attribute, along with the value, along with the href attribute, along with the values. So quickly, let me show you how it works. Back to our document. This is how our document looks now. Let me remove this one. This is where we say we are coming. We are coming to this place. So this is our doc type and HTML. This is our HTML and head. This is our head, and also title opening and closing. So after our opening and closing tag, I'm going to add do like this and write link. When we write link, let me write link. I want to write this by hand gently. After the link, close it like this. Let's save our browser. Let's save our code and reload it. Can you see? Nothing is displaying here because here is where we want to manipulate. We want to change. This is top 10 strength that you are seeing here. The top 10 strength is here. Top 10 strength web space. Can you see? So we want to add an icon to this place. The favicon is going to be by the left side of this top 10 strength here. So that's what we want to talk about now. So let me show you how it works so you can see the icon. So after when you write the link here, inside this link is where the thing is going to appear. Let's say you want to, whenever you want to use the link, we normally use something called href, right? When we use the href attribute, definitely we want to copy a file from our folder. So the file we want to use from our folder is from inside this images folder here, and the image is this top 10 strength icon here. So I want to show you something about this top 10 strength. This is the icon. This is the look of the icon that is inside this top 10 strength icon. So I want to make sure that this picture here shows beside this top 10 strength here by the top of this tab. So that's what I want to do. So let me save this. Let me use top 10 logo.png so you can see how it works. So let's go to we will navigate here to our images folder. Then we will come to our top 10 strengths image. So as we pick our top 10 image, let's say as we have picked our top 10 strength image, you know what we are going to do now? Let's save it first and reload it. Can you see? Nothing displays yet, and we have already picked our image. We have already picked it. As you can see, this is correct now. Then why is not showing? The name is also correct. The name is here. Let me show you the name. The name is also image. From image folder we took top 10 strength slash logo.png. But why is it not showing? Why it is not showing is that we need to put something here, which is rel. We have to put rel here, rel, just one. So this rel attribute here, along with what? With the value. When we save this rel ordinarily, it's not going to show again. Reload it. As you can see, it's not showing. But we have to put what? We have to put icon, icon. When I reload it, it's going to display the image. Can you see the image display? And also, you can have type also inside this. When you put type, you can write the maybe okay, it's top 10 strength icon, right? I will say I will say images slash t icon. You understand what I mean by that? Like inside my images, I have my icon. You understand? So I want you to get the point very well. So come back to our document. That is also the same thing that is going here. This one is X icon, but my own is top 10 string icon. That's why I wrote T icon here. So we are still going to discuss better about all these things you are seeing here, this type attribute here, because it has some things you have to know about it in the future. I'm going to discuss it in some of our advanced tutorial in the future. So just let us keep going right now. So if you notice something without this thing now, without it our icon looks perfect, and with it our icon also loads great. So there's no any problem with it. So now the thing, I think that this is all I want to show you today. I want you to know that icon is very important on this tab here. So if you have a website that you have not put icon here, you have not add an icon to it, so you can just use this code, these lines of code, and go and use it quickly, then and come back to our next tutorial. If you don't forget, when you remove this, the icon will never show. Reload. Can you see it's removed? But when you put it back and save, it's going to show. Can you see? So, and when you remove this, it's not going to show. Can you see? But when you put it back, it's going to show. So I want you to know what I'm trying to explain here. So I think you've got the point clearly now. Once again, anwar akorede, ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. So have a great day. Bye bye.